Good morning, class 7. We are in chapter heat and its effect, and today I am going to teach you to conversion from one scale to another scale, how to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Let us see. Heat and its effect. Okay, so let us recall some important facts. Conversion from one scale to another. Degree Celsius equals to 32 degree Fahrenheit and 100 degree Celsius is equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Please remember these two important value or relation between degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay. The interval of 100 in degree Celsius is equal to an individual equal to an interval of 180 in degree Fahrenheit. By this way we calculate the ratio between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit, okay, which is 100 is to 180, and we can also write in simplest form 5 is to 9. Okay, let us see. To convert, formula used. First, degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equals to 9/5 into C, means degree Celsius, plus 32. This is the formula to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. Second, degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Okay, now degree Celsius is equals to 5/9 into F minus 32 Okay, let us see example to more understand how we convert. First example is convert 10 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. We know that Fahrenheit is equals to 9/5 into C, which is here 10 degree Celsius plus 32. 18 plus 32, which is equals to 50 degree Celsius, not degree Celsius, 50 degree Fahrenheit. Answer. Let us see another example. Convert 95 Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. We know that degree Celsius is equals to 5/9 into Fahrenheit, which is here 95 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. 5/9 into 63, 7, 35 degree Celsius. Okay, so by this way we have to convert from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Please write down each and everything in your copy.